This is much better, but I need to turn it down a little bit. And I'm like, yes honey, the light is lighting, period. Okay guys, the wait is finally over. My camera is here. I have waited for this for so long that I put aside money to buy my camera. You know, I did my little savings. You know, you gotta get work. So when you get big people work, you put aside big people money. I always wanted a camera because I like to do photography. I like to just take pictures of things. Like if it looks very nice, like the sunset or the sunrise, I just like to take pictures, you know. And you know, I'm into this YouTube thing, so yeah, we have to, you know, step the game up, if you know what I'm saying. But I got the Sony ZV-1F camera. Yes, that's it. But first, I'm going to show you guys what I got for the camera. First things first, I got the SD card. And I think I should buy another one because I should just buy another one. I have the card reader. So all I have to do is plug it into my computer. And it should pop up. Let me open it. The SD reader, period. And I bought this camera as a birthday gift to me because if you don't know, my birthday is November the 9th and I want content. I want quality content. I don't want to have to be recorded with my phone, and like when I want to use my phone, I have to stop recording to, you know, text somebody, like a message coming in, I have to be like, and just edit that part out. No. So while I am on my camera, I could be using my phone at the same time.
Yes, the big boss moves, period.
And then I got a light which I am currently using, as you can see, you know. So okay, so quick disclaimer, the vlogging stand that I currently have right now is not the correct one for the camera itself. The camera have a specific stand for it, so I'm gonna link that in the description box. Okay, sorry about that. Last but not least, I got the vlogging camera grip. So YouTuber hands. Last but not least, the camera. I don't want it to fall, okay? So much instructions that we don't read. I'm just kidding, I'll read it. Inside the box. I think this is the poofy, the little poofy thing, like the little fluffy. Yeah, this. Well, I was watching this video and the gentleman was like, this is to block wind from making it sound so windy, to reduce the wind effect. You understand what I'm saying? Y'all get me, right? I know you get me. I know you get me, because I get me. This is the charger for the camera. What's this? Oh! And then this is the battery. Come out battery. This is how it looks. Hold on, let me show. Can you focus? But that's okay, you get a point. It's a battery. How you let? Never mind. I was just about to say something. I was just about to say something stupid. Child. Time to get to the most exciting part. The part that I have waited so long for. camera, and it is so small and it could just fit in my pocket if I wanted to. Can't fit in my pocket, but guys, this is the camera. So it opens like this, and then it could flip.
Okay, period.
And then I could and be like, you know, and be like this. Hey guys, welcome back to another channel. It's your girl, you get me. I gonna set it up and everything. Where the SD card supposed to go? Oh, right in your hand. This big thing for this small little piece of I can't bother. How this still going? I feel so handicapped. Like me know what I doing. What is for? What is blue thing in here for? Okay. That's that. Oh, okay. It was wrong. It was the wrong way, guys. Let's see. On. Oh! Period. Yes, mommy. Pardon? She was like, "You're too loud." That's how she was. You're up here. I just excited. Okay, so I'm gonna set this up off camera and then I will come back and show you guys. Okay? Capiche? Okay, so we have officially set up the camera. Hold on. Okay. Oh my goodness, the quality is nice. It's nice. I'm not gonna capture you. Okay. Oh my goodness, the quality, like the zoom in and out, it's nice. I'm not gonna capture y'all. Okay, but I don't know what to say, but we have the camera. Okay, I'm showing you guys something. See, it will focus on it and then boom. Yeah, so I think we have come to the end of the unboxing. See you guys, bye. You know, turn this off now.